Yes, people, here we are, our evening walk named Full Circle. Yes, and the time is 13 minutes after 7 p.m. And the date is Thursday, the 10th of June, 2021. You alright, son? Yeah, man, look what we are right there. Post office. Yeah. Yeah, man, and this one has something to do with priority. Post box have something to do with NHS and COVID box. It's a post office, innit? And on top of the post office, we have a pussa sleep. Meow. Meow, 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 meow. Yes, people, we're there upon our evening walk. Our evening walk named Full Circle. Yeah, man. And we are in England United Kingdom, aka Slave Master Headquarters. Yeah, man, and we're there upon our evening walk. Yeah. Right up. Yeah. Hey! Excuse me. Hello? Excuse me. Hello? Hello? Him again.
Didn't know who you were shouting.
Yeah, but I can't remember your name, you see.
Amy.
Yeah. I have a YouTube channel, innit?
Do you?
Yeah.
Are you recording?
Yeah.
That's cool, that little stick thing.
Yeah, it's myself.
Oh,
Yeah, I have a YouTube channel. You can find it, innit?
what's it called? I follow it.
Chris Cactus, innit?
Search it when I get on.
Yeah. 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 Hello? Is it true? Where? Where is it? My shot you? You remember that place you was telling me about going to? Okay, yeah. Have to tilt the camera out here. Yeah, right, sister. Yeah, bless the Lord.
You live
Bless
around
me.
here?
Yeah.
Where?
Remember?
Oh, I think I met you the other day.
Yeah. I have a YouTube channel. I was telling you.
Oh,
Now I need to give you one of them things so you can look me up and subscribe to my channel.
alright.
Help me grow. So when you make one now, I'll subscribe to you, yes?
Alright.
Yeah, take out one. Yeah,
Alright,
Yeah, cheers, sister. Thanks, yeah? Yeah, man, you can subscribe to it and comment, innit? Yeah, cheers. Me say, me there at the back of the yard today. And when I look up, one man say look up. When I look up, I say two. You know the good guys them in them uniform.
Yes.
Just walk down for me. And I have my machete in my hand, you know. And I'm saying to myself, oh, I hope these guys don't give me the trouble today to put me in trouble. I'm saying, what have I done now? So they was telling me, oh, number whatsoever. I don't want to call the number, you know, because I'm recording. Saying number so and so have a break-in. Did I hear anything last night? I said I was up until late because I have a YouTube channel. I was on my YouTube channel, whatever. So I didn't hear anything. So right away, because a man and a woman, eh? So the man was asking, what's your YouTube channel called? So me tell him. So he said, what, you document? So I said, I just go around at evening time and, you know, more like nature and go on the canal and walk and stuff and have a different topic I talk about this evening. So I said, okay. He's asking, how many subscribers you got? That's what he's more interested in, you know. So I said, I just started just 2 months ago, so I hadn't had much subscribers. I just got 32 subscribers. I said, well, where I'll start off. So you have to start from somewhere, innit? So I was saying to him, I was up till late and I hear a loud talking, but when I looked through, it was the neighbor and this guy walking down. He was saying, oh, probably coming from where there wasn't. So I'm saying to him, well, why are you asking me if I hear anything? The house supposed to have on camera on it, innit? Yeah. I said the house supposed to have on camera on it, innit? And he's saying, oh, the camera was off last night. And I'm saying, how comes the camera off last night and the house get break into last night? That don't sound good. He's laughing. He's laughing his head off. So he said he's doing like this to me. Yeah. I'm gonna hold on my camera, yeah? I'm gonna put your dog on it. I can't put your face, but I can put your dog in it.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah. What dog is it?
It's my mum's.
Yorkshire Terrier, yeah, it's one nice. Yeah. Wow.
I think she's a big dog. Though.
Yeah, it's big.
Yeah, Alfie, yeah. Got to put him up lead only when other dogs are about.
Yeah,
Only when other dogs because he thinks he's a Rottweiler.
Cheers. So that these people, this way, yeah, don't go in front of the camera. That's too America. Yes, people, here we are on the evening walk named Full Circle. And this evening we are take it through the back, you know, through the food track. Yeah, man. Yeah, we're keeping off of the main road this evening. Yeah, we just want to hear the birds them singing and talking to us. You know, this evening we're talking about birds of a feather flock together. I'm gonna spin around the camera, seeing a nice cat through the window right there, peeping out. Watch it. Okay. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, this evening we're talking about birds of a feather. You know, birds of a feather flock together. Yeah, man. You don't see no different birds flying and messing around with each other. You know, the same set of birds them travel in the same group, you know. Yeah, we're there upon the evening walk. I may have company this evening. Yeah, I'm finding one nice lady for walk with me this evening. Don't know. Whoa! Look over there. So, yeah. A nice lady, seeing a nice lady walk inside the house this evening. Keeping our company and showing we this spot a food track. Taking us down to the Momos. Me say I've seen a lady with a goat and a lead this evening. Yeah, you can talk, man. I'm just trying not to put your face on it. Wow, this gonna mess you up. This gonna mess you up. Oh, this supposed to cut across from there. This gonna mess you up. Yeah. Somebody end up walk here as well. Whoa, watch these things. They're gonna scratch off my skin. Whoa. Wow.
This is the William Ennis School.
Yeah.
Troubled boys.
Okay. Okay, so here to William Henry Smith. Welcome to the William Henry Smith School. Becoming the best you can be. Your journey start here. So is this like a boys' home then?
The bad boys. We call it bad boys.
Yeah, in Jamaica we would have said approved school. Yeah. Yeah, man. So instead of sending them to prison because they're juvenile school, yeah. Wow, so we have some nice moo there. Yeah, we have them back home, you know. Juvenile school for girls and juvenile school for boys, innit? Some people might say approved school, you know. Yeah. Yeah, man. Yeah. So this is where when I'm over on that side, where you see the car going over on that side, this is where I hear these guys was revving up bike, riding bike down this side. I saying, okay. Yeah, man, people, we're there and we even walk in full circle. Yeah, man, and we like to see signs like these, you know. Yeah, man, clean it up, you know. Yeah, man, you love your dog so much, you know. You clean up him waist. We don't have a problem with that. And so we have the nice evening sun shining bright over there. Sun being nice up this side for the past couple of days. Well, behaving like a son. It's not moving like no daughter. Yeah, man. So England well disciplined. Yeah, man. And look what's coming up in the road. We have right there some mark. Slow. 20 mile zone. Are you slow? Yeah, we're not marking no Black Lives Matter in the road. That's just bullshit about Black Lives Matter. All life matter. You set a dickheads. Yeah, man, 20 mile zone. You saw England stay? It's the nicest thing about England. They don't hide nothing. Yeah. Yeah, man, and put it up, make you know, say camera is there, so and so is there. So you be aware of what you're doing, you know? Yeah, that means to say, if you know it's there and you do it, you gotta get yourself in trouble. Yeah. Passing point. Yeah, see? No parking. Slow. 20 miles in the road. But trying to make you know, say, we don't want no Black Lives Matter in the road. That's just bullshit. Yeah, man, and we are go through the woods and I listen to the birds, them, you know? Because this is what we like to hear, you know? We rather listen to them than... Come on, people. We think we should do better than this. Come on. I know you could have found a skip to put your shit in. Yeah? If you can't come down here on the back road and dump your rubbish like this, that's just wrong, man. Why you didn't drive past and dump it in somebody's skip? Okay. You see it? See that, people? Telling you, please clean up after you. So we're going down going down, we're going down. We're going down into Pixie City. Right down into Pixie City. Yeah, this leads you right down into the city of pixies and fairies. Mm. Oh, we're going this way.
Yeah, no, don't go down them stairs and quit claiming. My dad shut up! My dad broke his leg in these ones. He said these stairs, he fucking used over there, so they're in fucking stairs. No need it, fuck all. You need to turn to all.
Nice doggy. Your dog on me.
No, but he got just tell about him getting nicked. Yeah. And I thought I got run over. Oh, fucking hell. I gone from my house to my mum's and normally yap. And I thought, oh, I've locked him in. As soon as I got to my door, he had this big yelp, scream. Right? And then this woman's got a cut finger. He's been hit by a Range Rover Sports. He has been hit. The guy got out of the car, screamed at the woman, why you got him on a fucking lead? He didn't have time to jump that wall, Mel, come across here, jump this, because I said, where did he come out from? He went, here. I said, fuck off. If you would have said stairs, I would have said, fair enough. Do you know what I mean? Your finger's bleeding. Why's my dog being run over still going for you? And you had time to slam on, park up, come and chase my dog? I don't fucking think so. Why do you offer me a drive to this? Do you know what I mean? Why is this man screaming? Man were really posh, fucking Range Rover Sports. He's hanging out fucking window. Then they overdosed him methadone because they didn't realise how small he was. But you having a break, you were fractured, you were display. But he hit him, he did hit him. But why were he on that side of the road? Do you know what I mean? And I just thought, you crafty bastard. You don't go up there, Mel, you never have done. I lived there 2 years. On call, she would have said I seen him by the stairs, I would have said fair enough. Do you know what I mean? But not when she went, and your finger's bleeding, so obviously you've had some contact with it. He didn't have enough time, it's like me from walking here to that tree there, realising, going back. And he had time to jump that, go up the bed, jump that, come up there. She had time to slam on, go back a car, chase. He is weird, isn't it? Oh, it's brilliant! It's brilliant, honestly, there's all sorts in here. Fairies and fucking lot, magic mushrooms.
Fairies and pixies and fairies and pixies. I've been looking for all them pixies and fairies and then not coming out. Wow. These all look like some pixies and fairies all for sure. What she say? Yes, people. Yeah, man, we're there for our evening walk, you know. Our evening walk in full circle. Yeah, man. This is, I glimpse something way over there, so let me draw it up to see. Yeah. Because you never know what you're gonna see, you know. And sometimes our eyes can't see certain things, but the camera is sensitive. Yeah, man. Yes, people, we're there upon our evening walk, and our evening walk named Full Circle. This evening we're talking about birds of a feather. You know, flock together. As my mother would have said. And such people walk. Yeah, man, a thief and thief walk, you know. Yeah, man, a shim and shim par. Yeah, man. Yeah. Yeah. This place, look. You have to come through here in the daytime, proper day, to document this stuff, me. Yeah, man, this place, look. All, yes, all creepy. So,
Paths as well.
mm,
The path I'm going to take you takes you up to the top where you've got all the view of everything.
yeah.
Yeah, if you take the middle path.
So we can't go back up there. We're down there so already.
Yeah.
Or next time.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. See, next we'll come to a bit of road where you can either go up there against the fence, or you can go down here against the fence. So make a foot it on. Yes, people. Yeah, man. Just jump down in the comment section and leave your comment, cause we don't have a problem with your comment, you know. Remember, you have the right to your own opinion. Yeah, man. And you can like the video, you know. You can also dislike it too. But do remember, if you subscribe to our YouTube channel, you subscribe at your own risk. Yes, blessed love, my brother. Yeah, man. You subscribe at your own risk. Remember that. Much love.